We're Bobby and Angie Comfort from BCAR, Bobby Comfort Automotive Restoration in Ashland City, Tennessee. We use ShopBoss as our shop management system.
We've been using ShopBoss for the last year. We signed up in 2024 here at SEMA.
As the CEO for BCAR, my favorite option within ShopBoss is being able to print out our tax statements every month and uploading that to our state tax revenue system. It saves me time, him time, and my tax person a lot of time when we've already done that for them through ShopBoss.
Our technician's favorite part is parts integration. It saves us time looking at other websites, trying to get parts, lead time, and prices.
So before ShopBoss, we were strictly manual and spreadsheets and Word document invoices. This has streamlined the process for invoicing, ensuring that we are getting the correct invoices out to our customers, and making sure our payments and everything is captured in one place. Since implementation of ShopBoss, we have seen that we have a higher percentage of revenue because we have put into place the system. Yes, there's a monthly cost for that system, but we're already being able to see the benefits of that just a year in, and it pays for itself.